how to activate MS Office 2021 or 365 for free. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to legally activate and use Microsoft Office application suite for free for 6 months. If your Microsoft Office expires, you can follow this guide to activate it. According to the official Microsoft Office documentation, you can reset the grace timer and activate Office for another 30 days. Interestingly, you can do this up to 3 times. Therefore, before purchasing the Microsoft Office, you can evaluate it for more 120 days or 4 months. And in some cases, Microsoft may allow offline activation for up to 180 days or about 6 months. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is go to the Windows button over here and type CMD and then run it as an administrator. When you come to this window, type cd/ and hit enter. This will take you to the root directory of the C drive. Now open the Windows File Explorer right here. Go to this PC and then after click on local disk and program files. Now select Microsoft Office and then select the Office 16, whatever version you are using in your PC. From here, click on Office 16 at the top, right click on it and copy the address as text. Close this window. Now in the command prompt window, paste the MS Office installation folder path you just copied and press the enter key. It will take you to the MS Office directory. Next, type the command to display the license information for the installed product keys. Type this command and then space. First, select the SKU ID. Then right-click the mouse anywhere within the command prompt window to copy the selected SKU ID. And again, right-click anywhere in the command window to paste the SKU ID, which is at the cursor location. And then press enter key. Finally, if you still have grace time period remaining, then your Office copy will be activated once again and you'll see this message. Now you can check by running the Microsoft Word application. This is how you can activate Microsoft Office in your PC. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.